All right, here we go, everybody. Today's concept is a hash function, right? Let's take a look at what that is. So, as we always do, we have the definition of the concept right here in front of us, but three of the keywords inside the definition are covered up. So, what you'll need to do at this time is just pause the video and write what you think those missing words are in the comments below. Okay, go ahead and take a look at it and pause the video and do that now. Okay, so A math a hash function in blockchain is a mathematical algorithm that converts any input data into a fixed length string of characters known as a hash. The same input will always produce the same hash, but even the smallest change in input creates a completely different result. Some very key, important information for you to remember about a hash function and a hash right there in that definition. If everything is not crystal clear yet, don't worry. We're going to get a little bit deeper into it and look at a simpler example really soon. Let's get it. So I think that you can look at a hash function as something like a digital fingerprint. Just as each fingerprint uniquely identifies a person in real life, a hash uniquely represents data on the blockchain, right? Any small change to the data creates a completely different hash. Very important to remember that part. You'll probably hear me say that many times, and you'll see it in my writing, things like that. Any small change, even if you change a period, it creates a whole new hash. All right, so every block in a blockchain contains the hash of the previous block. This is why it's so important to be able to detect any changes there, right? This creates a secure chain of records. If someone tries to change data in one block, its hash would change, breaking the link and alerting the network. Okay, let's look at the term hash function, right? The concept in English. The term hash function appears in technical, business, and educational discussions about security and blockchain systems. Here are examples of how it's used in English. So, a technical example here, the blockchain uses a hash function to verify that each block has not been changed. A business example, our platform uses hash functions to secure customer records and prevent data tampering. And a nice educational example here, in blockchain, a hash function acts like a digital fingerprint for every transaction. Okay, there we go. If you have any questions at this point, go ahead and let us know in the comments below. Try to get to that as soon as we can. Here we go. All right, so it's your turn now. We're going to do a quick activity called a gap fill. Here's how it works. I'll give you a sentence with a missing word. Your job is to put the right word in the sentence. This will help us understand the concept that we just went over and to improve our English a little bit at the same time. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. But I want to reiterate something. If you are still a little bit hazy on the hash function, don't worry. There's links in the bio and in the description there that will take you to a deeper explanation of a hash function. Here we go. So we got our three words that we can choose from at the top here. We've got the previous block, digital fingerprint, and hash function. The first sentence here says, every block in a blockchain contains the hash of the Go ahead and pause the video. Let us know what you think the missing words are there in the comments below. Okay, so every block in a blockchain contains the hash of a what? We should remember from the many times that I said it in this video. Contains the hash of the previous block. Good. Good job, everyone. Okay, the next one here, go ahead and pause the video, think about it for a moment. Let us know what you think the answer is there in the comments below. Okay, so we can think of a hash like a digital fingerprint. Just as each fingerprint uniquely identifies a person, a hash uniquely represents data. And the last one here, go ahead and pause the video before we get started on it, and let us know what you think the answer is in the comments below. Okay, a hash function is a mathematical algorithm that converts any input data into a fixed length string of characters known as a hash. Great job, everyone. Good job. Let me know how many you got right. 3 out of 3, 2 out of 3 in the comments below. And if you didn't get all of them correct, that is perfectly fine because that's how we learn, right? We didn't ride the bicycle perfectly the first time we rode it, did we? We learned by falling or losing our balance, and we kept trying. So that's what we're going to do here at Fluent Dev. We're going to keep going. Thanks so much for watching this explainer, right? If you want to go a little bit deeper, be sure to check out the links in the description. There you'll find more concept explainers, full lessons with practice quizzes, where you can test your understanding of the concepts and the knowledge. And we'll see you next video.